Have you ever wanted to go to the Metropolitan Museum of Art, but don't have the budget to fly there? Or maybe you wanted to go to the Louvre, but you don't speak French? Or maybe you just want to be the first in line with your favorite painting? Well, now you can, thanks to CurateMe. You have your own personal museum, and by using a simple interaction to bring up the voice mode, you can just speak in natural language about your topic of fascination. The request is processed by an LLM to query databases of public domain artworks from museums around the world. Once the curation process is over, your personal collection is loaded into your museum and you can start to explore on your own. Follow your curiosity and keep asking, and CurateMe will keep finding interesting paintings, statues, figures, and more from around the world throughout human history.